How to share multiple photos in one post on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on What's on Your Mind. It will lead you to this page. At the bottom, click on Photo and Video. Then it will open your gallery. Click on Select Multiple at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will be able to select multiple photos. Select multiple photos and press on Next at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you can choose a layout at the bottom. After you have done that, press on Post at the top right corner of your screen and post a picture. This is how to share multiple photos in one post on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.